Hi, I'm Bernhard. I have been a QBS partner since the very beginning, and I am very satisfied with the support QBS offers to me. But at a certain point, I realized that I need to change something, as the IT world has changed. So, I asked QBS about what can I do to best serve my customers. The cloud is crucial for digital transformation, we all know that, but how do we get there? I have customer focus. I don't want to lose my customers. I want to have billable hours. I am in this business because I love to serve my customers and go the extra mile to solve their issues and improve the latest 10% in their business processes. Then I spoke with my PSM at QBS and he came up with an amazing approach, the migration as a journey. On the next slide, I'm talking about the 5 options. Depending on what the destination will be, there are multiple options. First option is BREP to CSP. Basically, this is not an option. This is where we could and should start immediately. Today, we offer our customers the option to pay their BREP on a monthly basis, and they even get a Business Central tenant up front to become familiar with it. The second option is BC14 on-prem. Those customers who like to upgrade to Business Central, but partner IP or ISV solutions are not AL ready, BC14 on-prem is a right choice. They even still get access to the old-fashioned Windows client. A little side note, only available for existing customers until October 2021. The third option is to upgrade to the latest version of BC on-prem. This is the best option for customers who like Business Central, but for whatever reason, don't want to go to cloud yet. The fourth option is Business Central hosted. This is a good option for customers who like Business Central in the cloud, but they don't have the possibility to make use of the public cloud from Microsoft. And the ideal option is BC SaaS. This is the ultimate destination. Business Central SaaS as it's meant to be. Full functionality, full integration with a Microsoft platform like other Dynamics products, and Power Platform. There are basically 2 options towards BC SaaS. Option 1. The first option is the suggested road. It's the most discussed path in our community, and up until today, undoubtedly the one to choose. As a first step, you migrate your customers to NAV 2018 or BC14 to have them on a platform to start with extensions. From that moment onwards, you are able to work in sprints on the SaaS requirements and reserve time and resources to work on those. This method is great for large customers, for example with an internal development team, and where scoping upfront is an issue. The straightforward upgrade could be done by one-click factory. The same applies for the majority of work regarding page extensions and event subscribers. To fulfill some prerequisites in SaaS, you need to be in close contact with the partner end customer. This is typically something where you could make use of the PTS team. Examples are file storage, .NET interoperability, etc. When that is done, one-click factory could perform the data conversion and create the extension. On the next slide we will look at option 2. Option 2. The second option is to start with the upgrade to BC17 with a customized base app. In that way, the customer runs on the latest version. Please bear in mind that if you run BC17 on-prem, you are still able to use .NET, SQL access and file access. That means there is not much difference with what you are used to today. A downside of this approach is that you go straight to the web client, although nowadays it is quite a mature client. A benefit from this path is that BC17 has a lot more events and better performance. For example, in the communication with Azure SQL. To find out more about the migration as a journey, just visit qbsgroup.com/now is the time and talk to your PSM.